Guys, welcome to Train versus Cars. Oh my god. No! Shit! Oh my gosh. Let's drive that car. Hey, get out of my way, bunch of... What the... No! That's it. Oh no. Yo, hit the brakes!
Hey, Denders. Hey, guys. You need to put the handle! How did I die, bro? How did I die?
Piggy bag. Piggy bag.
No, guys, you know what we have to do? Let's hit the brakes. Oh no, we're moving back. What?
No! My train! I just
Why don't be so loud? Don't be so loud.
Oh my god.
okay?
I got that train.
That a school?
Oh my gosh.
Is that a school?
Hell, train.
Is that a school?
Oh my gosh.
No.
Yo, late drive a train. Yeah, guys. Hello. Oh my god. How did the train hit me? Oh my gosh, bro. Where's the driver? What the? Nope, no more. Normal.
Wait! Oh my god! Wait, did I see Jenny?
They rescued 2 people. And 6 people
Dear passengers, let me in all the time. Yo, look out, train! If I honk the horn, I might dead. No, yo! Yo! Yeah. So cool, let's step right there.
Hey, yo, stop the train! Stop the train!
Yo, look out, that's not safe! Ah! That's not safe! Woo. I'm your conductor. Good job. Wait, no! Stop! Slow down! But I'm gonna die. Help! Let me... what the heck? The train take off without me? Yo! You saw that, everyone? I saw the worst train crash ever. Well, stop! Oh. Hey, bye. Yo, guys, you saw the train crash ever? Let's go check it out. I'm his conductor. Yo, let me find the emergency exit. Bro, dude. Yeah. La 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 la.
Go ahead. I was trying to look at them two.
Yeah.
The water in the that ain't
Hey, my train. What the?
I just closed my eyes. Stop! Stop! La 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 la. Collision of the train. Collision. What? Yo, stop! You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna deal him. Stop the train! Stop! Ah! Yo, guys, I just tried to hit the brakes, guys. You saw that? This guy. My train, no, my train, no, my train. Mine. Okay, guys.
Bye, guys. Peace out.
Bye, guys. Thank you for watching. And remember, this is Train versus Car Part 2. Bye, everyone.